Wait. Did you know that some veggies, yes, vegetables, could actually be feeding cancer cells instead of fighting them? You've always been told veggies are good for you, right? But what if I told you that certain ones could actually be doing more harm than good? Stick around, because today, we're diving into the 4 vegetables you need to watch out for. 1. Soy-based vegetables, edamame, tofu, soybeans. First up, soy. Now, soy isn't inherently bad, but here's the catch. It contains plant estrogens called phytoestrogens, which some studies suggest could fuel hormone-sensitive cancers, like breast and prostate cancer. If you're eating loads of soy-based foods, it might be worth cutting back, especially if you have a family history of these cancers. 2. Overcooked cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage. Wait, broccoli? Yes, but hear me out. Cruciferous veggies are actually super healthy when eaten raw or lightly cooked, but when they're overcooked, they lose their cancer-fighting properties and can even release harmful compounds. Steaming or lightly sautéing. Overboiling and nuking in the microwave. Big no-no. 3. Corn, especially non-organic. Okay, who doesn't love corn on the cob? But here's the problem. Most corn is genetically modified, GMO, and often sprayed with pesticides like glyphosate, which has been linked to cancer by multiple studies. This means if you're eating a lot of non-organic corn-based products, chips, syrups, processed foods, you might be exposing yourself to harmful toxins. 4. Nightshade vegetables, tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, potatoes. Next on the list, nightshades. Sounds like something out of a horror movie, right? These veggies contain a natural chemical called solanine, which has been linked to inflammation and, in extreme cases, could contribute to cancer growth. Potatoes? Eggplants? Peppers? Say it ain't so. But before you freak out, keep in mind, it's all about balance. So what's the takeaway? Veggies are mostly amazing, but knowing how you eat them and where they come from makes all the difference. Did any of these surprise you? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful,